You can find this carrot at chocolatefancy.com. Now, if you purchase this carrot, you're going to get a free piece of tissue paper called Unique Flora. I'm going to start by painting my panel and my 2 slats in Snow Owl. You can use a paint of your choice in white. Then I'm going to hit the button and the lettering that says carrots 25 cents. The bottom portion of the carrot I'm going to hit in the white as well, but I'm not looking for full coverage. And then I'm going to mix red and white to create this pink, which is our Republic Red and our Snow Owl for the heart. This is Joshua Tree on the top of the carrot. And then I'm going to take brown and I'm going to hit the tag. And whatever's left on my sponge, I'm going to make sure there's not a lot of brown left. I'm going to hit all the edges of my panel just to give it a more vintage vibe or weathered wood look. I'm going to hit the edges of my slats here. And then I'm going to go around the edges of the top part of the carrot and the heart and hit those edges as well. Just brings interest to your project. I'm going to add 1 hour enamel clear, but you can use Mod Podge. I'm going to take my Unique Floral tissue paper. Again, you're going to get this free if you purchase this particular cutout. And I'm cutting out a portion of my Unique Floral that has some orange in it to complement the bottom of the carrot. I'm going to add my little piece to the 1 hour enamel clear. I'm going to put down saran wrap and hit it with a brayer. And then I'm going to do a top coat of the 1 hour enamel clear. And again, you can use Mod Podge. I'm going to set that aside to dry. Once dry, I'm going to cut back the excess paper and then I'm hitting all the edges with some sandpaper. And I'm making sure I'm going in one direction, kind of top and then away from the carrot. And then I'm going to put another coat of the 1 hour enamel clear on and set that aside to dry. Once dry, you can start gluing. I use the Crazy Glue right from the Dollar Tree. It works great. And I'm going to add that to the scored area you can see and lay down my carrot. I'm going to put down my slats at the top and the bottom. I'm going to do the top portion of my carrot. Now remember, you do not need a lot of glue. I almost put dots down. I'm going to add my tag and I'm going to put it close, tilting down towards the seam between the bottom portion of the carrot and the top of the carrot. And then I'm going to add my lettering and it says carrots 25 cents. I'm going to add my heart onto my carrot. And then I found this jute at the Dollar Tree and I'm going to make a bow. You can use any ribbon of your choice. And I'm going to glue it, kind of making it look like it's holding the tag. And then I put my little button in the center of that jute. And then you have a hanger for the back. And you're going to put these 2 parts together. And then the opening part of the holes is on the part that's facing you, and you can add jute. Thank you so much for your purchase, and have a great day.